nandito na kami sa Clark International Speedway. Yan, kasama ko nito. We have the Aprilia Track Day. Anyways, we're here to cover the event. Let's see.
Biker Box just held their first Aprilia Track Day at Clark Speedway. They have all their carried products on display at the event grounds. They have their helmets, ride shoes, gloves, and even their race suits, jackets, and other riding gears and apparel. And of course, the Aprilia bikes are on display. These Italian bikes are making waves in the country, mainly because of their reputation of being one of the best sport performance machines ever to set their tires on the roads. Biker Box is making sure that these awesome bikes be readily available for the local riding community, and staging this very first Aprilia Track Day is one of the best avenue to showcase these wonderful machines.
Pakaganda ng mga motorcycles talaga na Aprilia. Talagang when you're on one, hindi pwedeng hindi ka pagtinginan sa kalye. Okay? Because of course, it's luxury. And one more thing, it's Italian. When you speak Italian, nandun na talaga yung pagiging eloquente ng kanilang mga motorcycles and mga products. Maganda talaga ang Aprilia bikes, mas lalo na kapapasok lang naman nila talaga dito sa bansa, pero dumadami ng following mainly because of its performance and its quality. Ayos siya.
Mita Stars are also on display. It complements all the Biker Box's carried products, as well as their motorcycle accessories. The day is mainly for their clients, who deserves the best time to bond with their Aprilia bikes in this very first track day. These performance machines needs to be ridden hard, and indeed, that is what this day is all about. The Aprilia owners enjoyed their bike's potential and all have their adrenaline pumping ever so loudly.
Hello, welcome to the first Aprilia Track Day for 2021. So we're here to, of course, to see the bikes that the owners have, and also they can try the demo unit, RS660 and RS4 1100. So yeah, I do hope everyone can try the demo bikes and see how it performs.
It's a good day, it's a fine day to have your adrenaline up, lalo na dito sa Clark International Speedway, kasama syempre ang Aprilia. Oh guys, yun po ang makikita, ang Biker Box Aprilia Track Day. Alright, nila po. Ako po ulit si Kadyo, at maraming salamat sa inyong panonood dito po sa amin pong Motorcycle News. See you next time!